tomorrow I'll be taking over as a president, 63rd president of FOGSI, that is our Federation of Obstetrics and Gynecology of India. This is 67th AICOG, but on 6th January we have completed 75 years of our foundation. So it's a very large foundation. We are 46,000 gynecologists across 276 societies. Now, any president, when they take over, what are the activities we do usually? One important thing is we do a lot of social activities which will benefit to the society in large. Being a gynecologist, we are more focused with the women, so it is the adolescent girls or the women of reproductive age who are pregnant or the woman health in large. So we are coming out, and recently we had meeting even with the government. The government of Maharashtra has settled just a few days ago, but we are talking with every state governments, because when we are with the FOGSI, we work with all the states. What is important is there are many stakeholders who are interested in working for a woman of India. Now, my first project, Do Tike Jindagi Ke, that is, though the cervical cancer vaccine, we advise from 9 age group till 45. The most ideal age group is 9 to 14. Before the girls start the first sexual activity, it is very important. Now, the only vaccine or only cancer for which vaccine is available, unfortunately, cervical cancer is the second most common cause of death in women in India. But the awareness of vaccination is very low in our country, and we are planning to work in collaboration to increase the awareness and help the future Indian woman to be out from cervical cancer. The second my project is Sampurna. Sampurna is Swastha Janma Abhiyan. Now, what is Swastha Janma Abhiyan? Now, what happens most of the time is woman plan the pregnancy without her own knowledge. She comes to know when she is 2nd month and 3rd month of pregnancy, and then on evaluation she finds out her hemoglobin is very low, her blood pressure is very high, her weight is too much, and now there is no time for correction. The most of the causes of maternal mortality, that is death during pregnancy or during delivery or immediately after delivery. Anemia, one of the most common, and it is so easy to prevent that. Obesity, infections, sepsis, blood pressure, all these problems can happen. So we are coming up with a very important initiative called Sampurna. The lady has to be Sampurna in her body. What do you mean by that? Her hemoglobin should be good, her weight should be normal, her blood pressure should be normal. She should know that now she wants to plan, and 3 to 4 months before she should take a folic acid supplement. I don't know whether you all are aware. मी इंग्लिश मध्ये बोलले तर चालेल ना? I am not aware whether you all are aware that nutrition of a lady before planning pregnancy, 9 months and in lactation period, that is the food for a baby. I mean nutrition of a woman, that is a food for a baby for 1000 days. So are you aware that you see some 35 or 40 years, very healthy, they don't do probably much exercise, but they don't have diabetes, blood pressure and all, thanks to their mom who has taken a very good nutrition during pregnancy. The 1000 days of baby's diet, which is more of a diet of a mother, decides what adulthood diseases the baby will have. Now, Government of India or many NGOs, even our Foxy organization, have many programs to combat anemia, to combat the blood pressure in pregnancy, infections, bleeding. We are coming in our year on a preconceptional care. Conception is planning a pregnancy. Preconception. So, if we have every woman in India knows about it, adolescent age group, even the reproductive and elderly, because elderly are the one who presses the girl. शादी को 1 साल हो गया, बच्चा नहीं हुआ. So they also should be aware that pregnancy, every pregnancy should be pre-planned. So we are trying to, if I tell to the society, they will listen, okay, doctor, the president of the organization is saying. But if government also joins hands with us, it will be more faster we will implement. You all should know the United Nations has a sustainable development goal. If you go on a Google 2030, the maternal mortality in India should come below 70. Below, not 2 digit, below 70. So how do we achieve? Maximum low-hanging fruits, anemia, iron therapy, सब घर में हम बात कर रहे हैं. Bleeding during pregnancy, we are trying to work out on how to save the woman from dying because of bleeding. But our concept is preconceptional care to optimize maternal and neonatal outcome. आप प्रेग्नेंट ही मत होने देना औरत को. You just imagine. So we are working more on a preventive method than the curative. Let's not have any lady who is not healthy to become pregnant. Is it very important? The mother-in-law knows you are planning a pregnancy. Are you healthy? Have you done the checkup with the doctor? Is your hemoglobin normal? Is your weight normal? Are you eating healthy food? Are you exercising? If every family in India takes this care, it's not only the health of a lady, the health of a baby will be fantastic, but at the same time, the future generation of India will be very good. Okay, so this is, in Modi ka style we have kept स्वस्थ जन्म अभियान. मोदी जी के बहुत अभियान है, हम सब बहुत मोदी जी को प्यार करते हैं. So naturally हमारा thinking भी when you become a president, तुम्हारा thinking for India also goes in that way. Now adolescent girl को cervical cancer vaccination awareness, prevention of cervical cancer is one part. Reproductive age group Sampurna, but we also cater to the elderly age group. हम सबके घर में माँ है, सास है, आंटी है. हमें मालूम है the longevity of life has increased. Longevity of life has become like 60, 70, 75, 80 very आराम से. But just longevity, how many years of that is on a bed? Later 5 years, 10 years, 15 years. We all have gone through that. Your mom being on a bed in last few years of your life. And ये घर घर की story है. So we are thinking with very intelligent project which is called Know Your Numbers. Now what is Know Your Number? हम किटी पार्टीज करते हैं. रूरल एरिया में भी औरतें मिलके गपशप करती है. हर कोई चाहता है कि हमारे 4 नंबर. हमें एल्डरली एज में व्हाट इज आवर प्रॉब्लम? ब्लड प्रेशर हर घर में होता है. डायबिटीज, एवरी अल्टरनेट हाउस में देयर इज अ डायबिटिक पेशेंट. इंडिया हैज बिकम अ डायबिटिक हब. ओबेसिटी है, जॉइंट प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, जॉइंट रिप्लेसमेंट सर्जरी इतनी कॉमन हो गई है. सो वी आर सेइंग कि आप ये 4 numbers, you should know your number and you should see that it is in normal parameter, and that is your weight, that is your blood pressure, that is your hemoglobin, and that is your sugar. If these 4 parameters are normal, if you will be surprised, obesity in adolescent is huge. Anemia in adolescent is nearly 60%. Below 10 gram young kids going in the colleges, and it's very shocking and surprising. अगर उनका immunity ही because of the low hemoglobin इतना कम हो जाएगा तो कैसा होगा? So everyone should ask, do you know your number? And are they in a normal limit? So I know my number, my weight is suppose 66. With my height and age, my BMI should be still low. I need to reduce 6 kg. I'll start working because weight is going to give me diabetes. Weight is going to give me blood pressure. Weight is decreasing my immunity. Weight is giving my joint problems. So I'll start working towards maintaining my number to normal. Then is the blood pressure. Blood pressure suddenly 200 by 110 नहीं होता है. Only because we don't check it only for years together. ये होता है. So if we check very regularly our numbers, and जब blood pressure बहुत थोड़ा सा 140 by 90, slightly it is increasing, I start yoga, I start pranayam, I start exercise, I control my weight. Probably I don't have to pop up the tablet. We are working on is blood sugar. Diabetes reversal is so common. The problem is we don't check the blood sugar. Can I ask you one with the red shirt? Your mom, when she is taken her last health checkup, may not be. After her delivery only, when the menses are going menopausal age में, अगर bleeding का problem हुआ, तो वो डॉक्टर के पास जाएगी, या कभी बुखार के लिए. हर साल हम उनका चेकअप करवाते हैं क्या बेटा? So we check only we are in trouble. And why I land up in trouble? Because I never check myself. अगर बहुत अर्ली स्टेज में ये डायबिटीज ब्लड प्रेशर का मैं रिवर्सल कर देती हूँ तो आई लीव अ वेरी हेल्दी हैप्पी लाइफ. डायबिटीज, हाँ, एक डायबिटीज ये ऐसा प्रॉब्लम है, इट अफेक्ट्स ऑल ऑर्गन्स बिकॉज इट अफेक्ट्स द ब्लड वेसल्स. नाउ एवरी ऑर्गन इज रिसीविंग द ब्लड फ्लो. सो ब्लड वेसल ही अफेक्ट होगा तो एंड ऑर्गन तो डैमेज होगा ही. द किडनीज आर गोइंग टू डैमेज, heart is going to fail, liver is going to fail, eyes are going to fail. So if I don't allow only any woman to be unhealthy, not having her, see, I'm very sure when I sat with the Know Your Number, I was 76 kg. When I decided I'll do the project, first thing I did is my 12 kg weight loss. I said, how can I remain obese and talk? We control the obesity. That's not right. So I'm 60, but I want to be 40. May not be by age because external organ we cannot be. We are aging. But my internal organs I want to be healthy. And that will come only when I check, I do certain diet protocol, I do certain meditation, and then again I check whether they are helping. They might have helped. आजकल YouTube and Instagram Reels से हमें इतना नॉलेज हो गया है, हम देखते भी नहीं है कि ये Instagram कौन बना रहा है, रेप्यूटेड कार्डियोलॉजिस्ट बना रहा है या कोई इन्फ्लुएंसर बना रही है, एंड उसको फॉलो करना चालू करते हैं. It's very important to follow the right people for the right things. So this is my very, very important project which I am going to do, is know your number. And I'm very sure everyone wants their parents to live healthy, longer life. We feel they should be with us till we die. But then we can't see. We feel okay. 70, they were suffering so much. Why not? I want every young Indians to get up, take care of their grandparents, their parents, ensure these habits in life, so that they take care of a previous 2 generation, their own generation, and I'm very sure the generation to follow will be very healthy. We all say कि भारत को स्वर्ण काल आने वाला है. व्हाट इज स्वर्ण काल? हेल्थ इज वेल्थ. सो आप हेल्दी हो तो आप वेल्दी हो. So now let's take your question because there are many projects. मैं lay people के लिए for non doctors, non medicals ऐप बना रही हूँ, आरोग्य सखी ऐप. आपको कोई भी प्रॉब्लम है उसमें देखने की कोशिश करो. So there are many projects and of course there are projects for doctors also, academics, evidence based science उनको teach करना. What is advances happening in the world we are doing for them. So they are endless. शाम हो जाएगी, but let's take the questions if you want. Yes sir.
तुम्ही आता सांगितलं तसं हा सगळे साधन संपन्न आवाज येतोय ना? ठीक आहे.
हो येतोय सर.
तुम्ही आता सांगितलं ते सगळं साधन संपन्न घराच्या बायकांसाठी ठीक आहे.
नाही सर.
अजून असेही आहेत वीटभट्टी कामगार असतील, ऊसतोड कामगार असतील, त्यांच्या महिलांचे खूप प्रॉब्लेम आहेत. त्यासाठी सरकार बरोबर काय तुमची भागीदारी ठेवून काय करणार आहात का?
Absolutely sir, अतिशय right. Not only this, our 50 to 70% rural area we want to reach out. So primary health centers आहेत. मी गव्हर्नमेंट कालच खरं तर मी मीटिंग करायचा खूप प्रयत्न केलेला आहे आणि झाली पण आहे. आणि महाराष्ट्राचे माझं मत आहे की मी महाराष्ट्राची आहे तर महाराष्ट्राच्या गव्हर्नमेंट सोबत, हेल्थ मिनिस्ट्री सोबत बसून काही प्री प्लॅनिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स करावेत. कारण काय माहितीये का, आशा वर्कर्स, मला माहित नाही आपल्याला माहितीये का, या रुरल ह्याच्यामध्ये काम करतात, त्यांना आपण हे सगळ्यांना मतीला घेतलं पाहिजे. ऑलरेडी एक्झिस्टिंग जो इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर आहे त्यांना आपण घेऊ आणि मग काहीतरी रोबस्ट प्रोग्राम करू.
You are now president of FOXI and so tell us about आपके जो initiatives हैं जैसे आपने बताया अभी, what are these three basic initiatives, संपूर्ण know your numbers and other, tell us about the whole thing.
थैंक यू सो मच. सो मैं फॉक्सी की 63rd प्रेसिडेंट हो रही हूँ. फॉक्सी प्रेसिडेंट के एनी फॉक्सी प्रेसिडेंट हैज़ सोशल प्रोजेक्ट्स, एकेडमिक प्रोजेक्ट्स. सोशल प्रोजेक्ट्स हम क्या करते हैं, गर्भवती महिला, एडोलेसेंट गर्ल या माताएं, इनके लिए बहुत कुछ काम करते हैं. सो my proposals or my projects which I want to implement, it's not only with the stakeholders, not only with the doctors, but also with the government. 3 important projects. One for a 2 टीके जिंदगी के cervical cancer vaccination awareness program. This is very important because the only cancer which has a maximum, second most common cause of a death in India for a woman, and also against which the vaccine is available. So cervical cancer vaccination, 2 टीके जिंदगी के. My second project is संपूर्णा. संपूर्णा यानी स्वस्थ जन्म अभियान. The lady need to be संपूर्ण. संपूर्ण यानी उसका बॉडी वेट, उसका ब्लड प्रेशर, उसका हीमोग्लोबिन, उसका न्यूट्रिशन, उसके शुगर वैल्यूज़, थायराइड वैल्यूज़ ये नॉर्मल होने चाहिए. वो एक संपूर्ण औरत होनी चाहिए बिफोर शी प्लान्स द प्रेगनेंसी. प्रेगनेंसी हैज़ टू बी प्री प्लान्ड. 3 months pre-conceptional folic acid is mandatory. Nutrition before the pregnancy, during the pregnancy and during lactation period, all is very important. So ये मेरा संपूर्ण is a स्वस्थ जन्म अभियान, pre-conceptional care to optimize मैटरनल एंड नियोनेटल केयर. हम हमेशा एक हेल्दी बेबी इन हैंड्स ऑफ हेल्दी मदर देना चाहते हैं. तो वो कैसे पॉसिबल होगा इज़ ओनली व्हेन यू आर संपूर्ण. एंड माय थर्ड प्रोजेक्ट इज़ नो योर नंबर. एवरी वुमन इन इंडिया, मे बी द गर्ल फ्रॉम 10 एज ग्रुप टिल द 70-80 एज ग्रुप, they should know 4 numbers. 1 hemoglobin, 1 blood pressure, ब्लड शुगर एंड देयर वेट. अगर कोई भी औरत ने ये 4 नंबर जिंदगी में नॉर्मल रेंज में रखे तो उनको, ये हम जो क्रॉनिक डिसीजेस बोलते हैं, बीमारियाँ, ब्लड प्रेशर, ब्लड शुगर, जॉइंट प्रॉब्लम्स, ओबेसिटी रिलेटेड प्रॉब्लम कभी नहीं होगी। 70 के एज में क्या, 80 के एज में भी वो दौड़ती रहेगी। सो every woman in India should know your number. Do you know your number? I'm meeting her. Do you know your number?
Yes.
And are they in a normal range?
Trying to get in normal range.
थैंक यू। सो दिस इज़ द कॉन्वर्सेशन एनी टू औरतें इंडिया में मिलती है, गर्ल्स मिलती है, ग्रैंड मदर के साथ मिलती है की तुझं नंबर नीट आहे ना, आणि तुझं हिमोग्लोबिन कसं आहे. सो इट्स व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट to know your number. Let's make abhiyan in India. Everyone talks. Do you know your numbers? And if no, is it normal? Is it in the normal range? Are you working on it? So know your number is very important.
India is a country of youth, especially women are also there, boys, girls are also there. What do you want to say to the parents? You are also talking about the lifestyle. You also say the parents should teach their kids about the health. What do you want to say about that?
I want to say every mother in India, give time to the nutrition of your kids. Ensure that they are playing in open and not on a sofa with the mobile. Very important, diet, exercise and maintaining healthy weight and a sound sleep of 8 hours in all young generation. If we want them to be very healthy in their 50s and 60s, you need to take care of your kids at this. Give them right education about the health. Explain them health is wealth.
You also talk about school में भी इस चीज़ें को निश्चित करना चाहिए.
See, it will be स्कूल्स एंड कॉलेजेस में भी ये इनिशिएटिव मैं इसलिए करना चाहती हूँ कि बहुत बार अपने बच्चे अपने पेरेंट्स का नहीं सुनते हैं, बट स्कूल में टीचर के साथ, डॉक्टर्स जाके या गवर्नमेंट के साथ ये इम्प्लीमेंट होता है तो वन दे विल बी एजुकेटेड. और तुम आज के यंग जनरेशन को एजुकेट कर रहे हो, वो घर जाके अपने बड़ी बहन, अपनी आंट, अपनी माँ, अपनी ग्रैंड मदर, अपनी बुआ, ये सबको हेल्दी रखेगी.